Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mitsubishi Triton GLX-R dual cab ute, stock reference number 4919. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 10th month 2008. It has a 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, factory fitted nudge bar with all bolts and brackets, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has a scrape dent and one small dent. AT XTC fiberglass canopy with all bolts and brackets, less keys. Rear bumper bar does have some scuffs on the alloy. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror in chrome. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with no audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.